guys, I'm Sakti from 𝗣𝗥𝗢𝗧𝗜𝗍𝒂𝒂𝒃. This week we are ongoing with a very big major project with this 𝗣𝗦𝗡𝗧𝗏 458. So first of all, this 𝗣𝗦𝗡𝗧𝗏 actually undergoes a full paintwork for its full body. Then after the paintwork is done, now we are ongoing with the paint protection film installation. If you can see the car is fitted with a very custom type of front bumper. So once we dismantle it, we are ongoing with the process of PPF application. So once it's done, we'll fix it back to the cab. As we are using a custom hand-tailored metal for the PPF, so any design, any types of bumper also would do. And for the carbon parts, we already separated. All those carbon parts also will be fitted with the paint protection film. So once the PPF is done, we will also apply with 𝗏𝗏𝗏 ceramic Unicode for its nano-hydrophobic water repellent property.